bundi yavuddeyo Kanokiza Besigye n'afrontinga People's Front for Transition yalonkinze era nga yagamba no babaddewo badde mu kusaaga.
Kizza Besigye Museveni cannot give and to another important factor. Decisions, you make a decision depending on the past and the future.
The future.
Museveni has known. I've told you, Dos Santos is not there, but his successor is harassing him.
Okay.
Kibaki, this Moi was accorded an honorable burial because we are some wins. Kakati kitegeeza Besigye embabaza ne bamala biseera.
Besigye yakomye n'embeera egamba front red card, the time out, twetaase, twerwaneko.
Kiggwa leero tekyaggwa. You cannot feed the public with lies. Mwabe Masaka mwesiimye nnyo mugenda kumulaba nga adduka ye yaddukira mu Gomesi. Kati Besigye talaba mwezi abantu ne basiiba olukuku. Yes. You cannot play politics on a good short-term strategy.
But people have
ngenda kujjawo emisolo naye abakozi ba gavumenti basasule sente nnyingi ngozi kama mataaba.
But people have slogans. Ne bana baka abali UP badanga bagamba
sajja omusajja mutunuulire najja bamulisa tabamulisizza pulaani nayi money temujja kubatiyaga kati bakandiko beeta kuno waiso yeta kuno beeta kuno nyuma tebalina yadde
pulaani B ya
bwe batta ku bantu Museveni ata sente wapi ono omwana yabakuba pulaani B
yali pulaani B kwa stavinga
tiyagasi akadi bayiwa mu engatto z'abakubanga tiyagasi n'ebintu byabwe kati babitunulako ku makya ne bakaaba amazige oyo omwana yasoma political science. Oyo Bobi Wine alina omuntu gw'atuula naye nze namutunuulira bagenda wa president ne bamugamba nti your son has crossed the red line. He supports Bobi Wine. Museveni yabaga nti oyo mugezi nnyo tasobola. I helped you to inflate Bobi Wine mumukubi mugamuga nti munafu omuyembi omuki bwe bamuvuma kana kabala kaguni kana kiwala kiri tetofege bobo kulune bwewanika omukazi agenda omwana omuwala ng'agenda kufumbirwa musajja ne bw'omugaa nti balogo agananka ngendoge alina bagamba nti Bobi Wine fit in the international politics. Nembaga nti look at Mafuguli pombe kitegeeza ki mwenge
bwekiri
nembaga nti Mafuguli was underestimated but has become more popular than except Nyerere bonna badwafinga era nabaga will get a second chance bayinza n'okubanga battamutte. How can the president die from COVID? Ngowawa, you tell me one. All of the resources you estate kyobula president yagenda okugula ekitanda nga yakajja taddangayo. You become an asset of the state bwekivaako n'ogwa. That's why engalo ye yeeraliikiriza abantu. You are an asset of the state. How could an asset of the state die COVID?
Mzee Tamari, 2026, are we seeing Bobi Wine still strong?
Bobi Wine amagezi ge gali bwegati. Museveni has 5 years.
Yes.
And they can solve all the issues. Kampala is peaceful wawonna abantu bakola byabo. Akati gwe nabagambye nti Sheikh Museveni ng'enkya Yidi ali ku kisoo kyawagala nene kapa bbiri aziggalidde mu kikomera abaali awo ngalabe eŋŋamira etomera akatandaalo ebangezo oba ebansiibu kapa bbiri kapa ozitegedde bbiri eziri nazo baziggalidde ezitasolwa ku Yidi naye laba eŋŋamira etomera akatandaalo. I said I compared Besigye to madman. Akatabo kange mwekali omu nti if a madman wielding a panga enters a market at a market day and he finds the situation peaceful and he creates a stampede, people stepping on each other, causing a death, do you blame the market master? Market master, you did not close the gates.
No,
the gates have been opened, but the peace prevailed until the lunatic entered. Kakati, what do? All of the sellers and the buyers must help with the master,
the market man,
to apprehend the crew, to move back, to come the Kamuradi Munyindo. Abalalu, Tomaniti Abalalu Bebakumo Butari. Every market has a madman. Ayonona, Baba Mukbad, the Daruni Mugwam. Kakati Kampala is beautiful. If the angel of death invades the Kampala, Museveni will just lock him inside. And he's worried. Kampala is peaceful. Your strategy, you have a security of Besigye Center, Jata Bangulete Kola. kubanga buli muntu yenna ajja gamba Museveni nti a madman wuyaze kubanga nkubuulira nti nga mubadde bagezi oyo omwana oyo mugezi. First of all, politics alinga lubuto. Olubuto kasita lumala okuyingira mu mukyala ne bw'omuwasanga lwa lunaku lumu omwana atakufaanana. Era many women bafumbirwa mu bufumbo ng'omwana weebi akavubuka yakaluzaako ng'agenda okufumbirwa kakati najja n'olubuto lwenu. Kakati this man, why should this man Bobi Wine who has good advice antagonize Museveni? He has seen nga bakubye abanuupu babatutte abadde alwana yekka. Basically in hiding. Two basically denied himself a right in the future. Yaliza raidingira kwani kwa Muriati abanja ki basically obanja ki mukalute walimu weerayizaako nti gwe president wa Uganda ate amaje agoyina okufuka ne gakutwala emisinde. President yagenda eyo mwacholi nomugamba sebo president entezo ze watuwa enteza ze watuwa nti ziza utwaziteeka mu faamu ngandala. Kakati president nagandi kale omulala aziyitemu ente zatwala gwe bayita omulala emisinde. Museveni yali tamanyi nti bano bamulimba
yategeka bamulimba.
How can cows chase away their mulala?
Yes,
the money was chased away by the same cows because they had a plan of collecting the cows and putting them somewhere. When a minister yakwate nanasi ezengedde nagenda atwala ngategedde nti Museveni yalaga mu luweero nakwata tractor nazisimba nga zengedde nagaba muwe sente ayina ennimiro nnene goloza yaba tabitegeera
mu Uganda wano.
Kakati nkugamba nobody, no sensible person can provoke Museveni now. You can provoke Museveni in 2025.
Is that why Bobi Wine
yes, ye mugezi anti ye kibiina kya kiina from zero ayina bakankaaga bwe wafunye problem mu kibiina kye bategeeraganye n'ono omusajja. Who is behind this? Violence yamuvaamu baali bamukubatiya gasi nga Besigye ali wuwe asidisi kakati alowooza ate Besigye nakola mistake. How can a failure lead you? Okay, in other countries tulabye bagundi we Zambia yakavuganya emirundi 5 Raila Odinga ali kugundi good, but here bali bagundi sibe bali tebakola naawe tikakati mu Kampala president bwe yagambye kampuni eteeka amataala mu Kampala nga yegenda kulangako bulanzi eyiye bagiganye
egenda okulira obwere
ne baleeta kampuni endala ng'executive ya Kampala yagalako biliyoni aga atano defying the president yatugambe tubakube era kati Besigye kigenda mukola buli muntu yenna ayina akatale ke working places because he targets working places katubeere n'enkoni no ate violence is going to disturb us. Museveni will just lock him up nkugambye kubanga abantu ba Uganda abo tebafa ku government tebagamba ebintu bibiri nti when you want to analyze look at two issues. One, if you carry out a research and you go to prisons, can you find many Muslim women who have power to ask their co-wives?
No.
Bakule bakimanyi tinva mu namba ki aisongole doubt oba omwana nga ayinza okukola violence kumujjawo
kimanyi kuba kimanyi taata
Christianism be babiine kakati nti n'abalokole obawulira nti ate ono yazadde eno ono yakoze atya kakati laba kino anti kintawaanya naye gwe kyenja okukola gwe ojja kumbuulira kakati ate nabigamba bino ebisajja nja kuweereza virus mu kutu ojja kumbuulira kuba kati kiina bwe kirabira want to disable kakati nkugamba in monarchical societies the people cannot hate a leader. The question is not longevity. Who tells the Kabaka to resign?
No one.
The question is service delivery. As long as Museveni delivers, never mwanda mayinize.
What is the delivery?
$400 million. Zeyatwala muleya. Ono mukazi kitutu ya zibba. With how accomplices. Bwendi chikuba mukazi gwene nkukubanga ogabana million ya president nagenda nasindika group ngemiti gyonna mifu amasanyalaze gagundi abasajja Museveni n'abagamba are these idiots still breathing Ugandan air gundi akulonagano bakwata nja kuba akatambika kitutu aliyingira Kenya anti mugiso aliyingira Kenya aligenda wawe etambula gyalisula $400 million. Kakati nalabye nankabirwa talking rubbish. Amasanyalaze. Raya was created purposely to spray masanyalaze. And Museveni steward alone of $400 million. Taking back Raya, ne badde omuvuka yinginia Lutwama, ne baplanning omutta. Ayihereputi Lutwama, ne mutwale ewani, eweri foot 3. Emmotoka yali emugoba ne yefuula ne bafa. Ekyokulya bwe nendi bamalamu. Lutwama kwe kufuna ku mirembe. Erifu 3. Yes. No, even if I'm working for the regime, these are political dynamics. No sensible person can engage with Museveni now. Museveni is in a very strong position now. He can afford to sucker anybody. Omukulembeze nga mmwe bamulinda ng'ebula emyezi 6 n'aleeta obuhulu. Ministers were resigning en masse. There was an exodus from KANU to other parties. But Moi had calculated and Kikuyu. That's why Raila said Kibaki Tosha. He was even away. He was involved in an accident. Everybody is going to Kikuyu land. The Kikuyu Tycoonist Foundation. Everybody has known without them. But we have in Uganda the largest tribe that is more interested in clapping and cheering leaders. But they cannot sponsor their own candidate. You only end up undermining their own candidate. And once in the politics, if you cannot be a good hunter to hunt for your own meat, you must become a singer, a rapper, and an expert in saucepan cleaning. This is what they are doing. This is largest tribe. Where do you find in Africa? In Africa, politics rotates around ethnicity. But you find the largest tribe. You see the Kikuyus. Everybody is going to the Kikuyus. Everybody is going to the Kikuyu Foundation. They hold the key.
Politics of identity. Yes, Africa.
Nti politics we Kenya aliko tribal kingpins. Wano abantu bano bagala kwekulya emirimu gyabwe. In fact, ekyakubya Museveni nabawulidde bagamba. But Nupu does not want, cannot support Muhoozi. If you say that a witch doctor cannot support a cardinal, then he's working. Why should a cardinal expect support from which doctor? Tekisoboka. Kakati atenga yoli agamba mbuye baso. Ekitegeeza gwe iwe molu. But what type of brain do these carry in their skulls? Would you expect the opposition to support him?
No.
Muhoozi is not a citizen of Uganda. Let us look at the interpretation of the Constitution. All Ugandans fled in exile, prominent ones. This is transferred from America. A constitution, if you have judges, proper judges, they can see what was the intention. The intention, this in America is a country of migrants. That's why you say that must be born on the American soil, and they know. The Kissinger, Andrew Young, on Gundi Azanya films, Schwarzenegger, they were not born in America, therefore they cannot. But if all of us fled in exile, was the intention of this you are talking about? And what if it is it an entrenched provision or not? Kakati ebyo
kwanogo mwenyini nyini achogera mu kitabo kye
tunagana anti kyenkubulira what was the intention all of us, even those who had come from exile? Are you going to disqualify even Uganda?
What
was the intention? We look what the intention of the Constitution.
What was the intention?
Yes, to foreigners.
Not
when you look at our Constitution, that they took away powers from the presidents. Because they were not political scientists. Kanyamba was not a political scientist. Kanyamba is an admirer of American system. The question of vetting, abawunya bonna abawunya basooka ne bagoba awunya abanukanga amalwa toilet basooka ne bamugoba n'akomawo. Waliwo omulamuzi alina ruling nti vetting in Uganda must stop on academic papers. Was it the intention of the framers? Bakuba bwoko tobulaba ntya ate na history yaabwe nti abantu tebalimbibwa oyinako weekoledde londa Museveni ate okomawo otya omuvuganya. You have committed yourself unless you say that the Museveni I was talking about to you the other day has changed tuzeewo term limits. You cannot reinstate term limits under the same
7.
Because there were term limits, you said no. Then when you bring a term limits, you must explain that we changed the term limits because we wanted to accord this man unlimited time because of the background and his role in the liberation of the country. Now that he is retiring, we are not sure that even the other wound and the future presidents should enjoy the same. Nete mukera kumacha aziyipu kyaliwo luli ne mwogera ki ngambe bajjire ng'engalabi zidduka kubanga bo baliwoleza mugumu
karugeneko mugumu
babazi yagamba you see good leaders are very rare. They are rare species. They are not easy to get. That's why I support tomorrow you come and support the same man you praise who will believe in you, gentlemen.